Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to make some coconut pumpkin rice. It's delicious and the steps are easy, guys. So grab your ingredients and let's head straight to the kitchen. Step, guys, is to prepare the pumpkin. Here already peeled and washed. Now I'm going to shred. And there is my pumpkin, guys, already shred. And I'm going to dice some onion and garlic and set that aside. Through of our ingredients. Here is our seasoning we already minced earlier, and I had some thyme and a scotch bonnet pepper to it. Here I have my pumpkin, my rice, coconut milk, and we're going to need some salt also. And I'm going to put some water to boil so I can start preparing my pumpkin. Now I'm going to add my pumpkin and allow it to boil for 10 minutes. Then we can move on to the next step. Here after 10 minutes, I'm going to add my seasoning along with my coconut milk. Stir in, cover, and allow to boil for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, guys, I'm going to add some butter and my rice that I already washed. Stir and cover and allow to cook for 10 minutes. Then we check back. Here after my 10 minutes mark, I'm going to stir and add another cup of water so our rice can be completely cooked. And here you have it, guys, the final product. And guys, thank you so much for watching. And as usual, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time, guys. Bye.